Rachel. My name is Jezreel. Today we're going to use the American Heritage cream cheese spread. We're going to make 3 different kinds of cream cheese spread. One is the blueberry one is the garlic parsley one, and then we have a brown sugar cinnamon spread. Okay? After making all this spread, we're going to put it on some bagels. It will go very nicely with our bagels.
Okay, great.
So Rachel, in here we have the American Heritage cream cheese. So no need to let it come to room temperature. It's very nice and soft on its own when chilled already.
Okay.
So we're going to do the brown sugar cinnamon spread. So you just need to add in the brown sugar, the cinnamon powder in, and then just mix it well until combined.
Okay.
Okay, looks good. You can stop already.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, so Rachel, in the pot here we have the fresh blueberries. You can go ahead and mix the icing sugar inside. Give it just a quick stir. Then we'll go ahead and start cooking it. You want to cook it into like a thick paste, about a medium flame. So you can just stir it, you can break down, poke a bit of the blueberries, you can mash it up. So we're going to cook it until like a thick paste. Then we will let it cool down before we mix it into the cream cheese spread. So Rachel, you can see the blueberry has thickened up, so we can stop cooking now.
Okay.
We will transfer it into the tray, we let it cool down first.
Okay, sure.
So Rachel, now that the blueberry has cooled down, we can mix it into the cream cheese. So you can put about 1 tablespoon inside and just mix it well. See the very nice purple color from the blueberries. So Rachel, now we'll do the garlic parsley cream cheese spread. So all we got to do is just dry fry the garlic a little bit until it's lightly brown.
Okay.
So you can go ahead and put the garlic inside. So we just lightly stir fry it without any oil until it's just a bit softer.
Okay.
Dry it out a little bit because the moisture from the garlic is not so good to mix with the cream cheese spread.
Okay.
Okay, so you can see the garlic is lightly brown already. We can stop cooking. You can just put it to the bowl to cool down. Now we'll mix the garlic and parsley into the cream cheese. So you can put all the garlic in. Okay, then the parsley you can just put however much you like. Give it a good mix until combined. So just now we made the brown sugar cinnamon one. So this is a nice savory option. So we're going to pair them with the bagels later on. So you got sweet and you got savory also. So Rachel, we've made the 3 different kinds of cream cheese spread. So the blueberry spread, the brown sugar cinnamon, and then the garlic parsley spread. Very easy to make, right?
Yes.
So this spread you can also put on toast or your croissant. It doesn't only have to be a bagel. Okay?